Now I'll show you how to add an IGTV video to your Instagram profile. So basically you need to go to Instagram, click on your profile, and here right above your post you can see 4 different tabs. Now click on IGTV, and here you will be able to upload a new video that you created earlier. You can create it separately. You don't need to create it on Instagram. It can be created either on mobile phone, then send it to your laptop, or it can be created using QuickTime Player, as I mentioned at the beginning. And here we go. You will need to drag and drop your video here. So let's find it on the computer. This is not the right size because obviously it will need to be shot vertically. This is shot horizontally, so it's not the best shot for Instagram. However, I'll just show you as an example. Now you can add a cover, and I'll show you how to do it now. Now let's start designing our IGTV cover. So go to Canva and search for, simply choose Instagram story cover. Now we can choose from ready-made designs or design our own. I'll just design our own. And as you can see, the size is different than standard Instagram post because it's a different layout. So I'll show you how to design it custom, how to create custom design. Let's add a background. I like this kind of gradient, so I'll show you more designs. Okay, let's add this one. Obviously, make sure that the cover represents the video inside. However, I'll just show you an example how to do that. And let's add a simple text. Go to text, add a heading, and paste ITV video title. Let's change the font slightly, something slightly bigger. Place it in the middle, and let's change font to something different. Now, as I mentioned, it's a good idea to keep the font consistent to build your branding. So I'll use the same font as I used with Facebook post and on the website. So let's center it again. Okay, you can also add elements. So let's have a look what we've got here. Let's search for elements like first. So we can add, for example, this kind of element. Change color, so it's white. Okay, move it up. Let's make it slightly smaller. Okay, it looks nice, and if you like it, simply download it. Make sure to compress it and download. And now let's add our cover to Instagram to our IGTV video. So under cover, click edit and upload the file. And here it is. And here you can add the title and a description to your video. Also, you can include to post preview on your profile, so on your Instagram profile, and specify whether it will be published on IGTV or IGTV and Facebook page, but you would need to connect Facebook page beforehand. And if you're happy with it, simply click post.